like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and then like them.
Hi guys. Hey, I'm here with a Temu haul. How are y'all? I know it's been a couple weeks for this, but okay, they gave me $40 to spend. I did. This isn't that order though. This is all my own, so, but they gave me another $40 to spend, and I'd already purchased a bed, a vanity, and a coffee table, and I'm working on getting those put together, and I'm going to make that a video. That's what's taking so long, because I did get the bed put together, and it took me 11 hours, me and my friend, and we didn't eat all day, we didn't stop for breaks, nothing, we just worked straight through. And yes, it probably wouldn't have took so long if we hadn't made so many mistakes, but it is what it is. You know how that goes. So anyway, I'll leave all the links to these below. I am an affiliate. There's a coupon code down below, and if you haven't used them before, you get like $100 in coupons. Some say it works anyway. I'm not sure. So, but also, if you go in the search thing, you can search my little code, and it'll give money towards me, and it costs you nothing. Just so you're aware. The first thing I got is a magnetic knife holder, and I paid $7.14 for it. Yeah, that other one will be coming up probably next week or the week after. Because I'm trying to get everything straightened around, and I made a real good deal on that furniture, trust me. And I figured I'd show everybody how I did it. But here it is. And it just screws into the wall, and your knives hang on it. You'd think they'd have the screws with it, but they... Oh yeah, they do. They're right here. They're right there. So yeah, and you just hang your knives on the wall. Or on the refrigerator, or whatever. So there's that. Now this was a happy accident. Paid $12.97 for it. And I had no idea what it was. Yeah, I know it's kind of strange. I thought it was just a shelf, but it's not. I thought it was just like a little shelf. So I thought, well, I'll get that. No, it's more to it than that. Okay. Here's the stuff to hang it with. And it's blue, but I will be changing the color, you know that. But it's a toilet paper holder. Now, I honestly am a little confused. I don't know if this will fit through a hole in toilet paper or not. I'm sure I can make it. But, you know, yeah. Isn't that cute? Of course, I will turn it more turquoise than the blue is. I'll dry brush it with turquoise and make it fit right in. But I was like, oh, that's cute. So there you go with that. I thought that was kind of pretty. And then I paid $5.84, and look at these. These are for my little Okie. Look how cute. Look how cute! And I don't know what size I got. Size 25. I don't know what size that is. But that's what size I got her. Aren't those adorable? She's the oldest of the girls, so. So yeah, there's Okies. And they're coming in October, so I'm rather excited. And then I got 2 more pair of nails, and they were like $1.30 a piece, and these were in there too. But I'll be honest with you, I do not like the long ones. I'm going to have to cut them off, because I do not like them long. Can't work with them long. Then I got this, and this is supposed to be for a, for a stand mixer, Rubbermaid stand mixer, and it's supposed to be for the 6 quart. I'm not sure if mine is 6 or 7, so I don't know if it'll work in mine or not, but I was kind of wanting the rubbery part so it's scrapes the sides better. It says 6 quart on it, so we'll see. I think 6 and 7 are about the same size bowl. So we'll see. We will see. And I finally got my drill bits so I can finish my trim in my bedroom. Which that'd be nice because I'll be almost out of a construction zone. I have one room completely done when I get that done. I'm working on it. But here they are. Nice drill bits. Because I went to go get my other ones and they were all gone. Every one of them. I don't know what happened to him. Jerry Wayne said it was not him. Of course. Surprise, surprise. But yeah. I paid $5.49 for those and they are hefty. And I do like their drill bits. I've gotten a lot of their smaller drill bits. So I do like them. And then I got this. This is a razor and it's $3.58. I just needed a razor at the time. And I thought, well, I'll just see how theirs are. So this is the handle. And this is just plastic. And here are the razors. Of course, you know, you just put them on there. And so there's that. There's that one. One bag down. Then I have this one. Now I tried. Let's see if I can't. I'm under here, I swear I am. I'm trying to get all the stuff that's down on the side out so I don't lose it. Okay. I'll just start with these. This is nail glue, and it's 5 for $1.52, which you get 2 for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So it is a better deal. So, and it's super glue. I mean, I paid $10.79 for this. Oh, these are little lights for your yard and your pumpkins. And it has little stakes. Yeah, little stakes. Okay, now I'm really confused. That does not fit there. Well, anyway, that's what it'll look like. Maybe. And they're solar. They are solar. So I will have to figure it out. Oh, here's, this part goes here. There, this part goes here. Like that. And they are solar, so. On, off. Can't get it. Anyway, that's what they look like, and they go up your little sidewalks. They're cute. So we will do that. When I do my Halloween haul, I'll put those back in. When I get everything done for Halloween, I'll do a video on all that, on all the Halloween. But I just, but that was $10.79, and I think I got another set coming. I think, but I'm not sure. You know how I do. And this is another nail glue, and it was $1.92. But it's just one. So, and it looks like that. So there's that. This is another table runner, and I paid $2.43 for it. I think it's a table runner. Might not be. We'll see what it is. $2.43. Yeah, it's a table runner. And that's what she looks like. So that's cute. Of course, I don't have a big table, so I might have to split it up for something else. Now this I got free. And it's another pair of those headphones. I'll show you real fast. And I do like these. And I think they're normally like $3.99 or $7.99 maybe. And I do like them. I have another pair and they have good sound, and they made it through the whole mowing of the yard this week, so that's good. And I paid $2.75 for this because my friend is always saying everything I get, she says, I want that. Well, I had gotten one of these a while back when she was here. Just, I want that. And it's just a glass ball. I used them for photography and stuff, but she wants that. So mine are bigger, but she wanted it, so I got it for her. So there's that. And then I got these. And these are sticky pads. These, I don't know how much they are. I have no idea. These were $1.69, but I don't think I paid that. I think I ended up getting them both for free. Because, you know, that's how I operate. I like to get stuff free. Or nearly free. Okay, and then we have these. Now these were $9.49. And this, I'm putting back for Christmas gifts. Let's see how it goes. I can't remember how it goes. Oh, that's how it goes. Yeah, that's how it goes. And it's a tiered tray. So, yeah. And they're really easy to put together. They're already put together when they come, and all you gotta do is fold them out. So yeah, I got that. And that's gonna be 2 people's Christmas gifts. So anyway, that's all I have for now. Come on back, like, subscribe, you know, do the YouTube stuff. Bye.